Then what you do, handle autofill handle, drop down like this, you'll get only the odd numbers. Otherwise, one more option that is there, serial number. Go to the home menu. So first enter here the something, so I'm giving here the 1. So then select this one, then go to the home menu, go to the fill. So in the fill, click on it, then there is the series, click on it. If you want a series like this, total, so it is step, each one I want to go for the increment 1. So which means that if it is there 1, I want to increment 1, which means that 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, it is going to come out. So till 50 numbers I want. So just click on the, type here 50. So automatically it will give you the till the 50 numbers. Perfect. If you want 1000 numbers, 2000 numbers, serial numbers, you can find it. So for example, if I give here the 1, so I'm selecting this cell, go to the home menu, go to the same fill, click on it, go to the series. Instead of the increment 1, I want to give here the 2. So what it is going to give you? So 2, 3, 5 like this, odd numbers only. So till I want 50 only. So then click on OK. So it is going to like this. So again select the same cell, go to the home menu, fill here, go to the series, select here column instead of the rows. So now same condition I am giving. So every increment I want to increment with the 2. So I want to give till the 50. So till the 50, whatever the odd numbers it is going to get. So this is how you get. So how many odd numbers 1 to 50, that you can find out like this. So how many even numbers 1 to 50, that you can find out like this. So this was the pending one. Okay, fine. Let's see from here. So most of the scenarios related to only your Power BI, Power Query Editor. Observe here, I want to separate the first name, middle name, last name. You know already in the Power Query Editor how to separate that middle name, the first name, last name like this, and we combine them as well. Now let's see how to do this one. Let me take some of the data of our order date. Just observe here that I want to separate the middle name, first name, last name like that. So this is the customer name which we have. So first name, second name, first name, second name, first name, second name, third name like this. What you do, first select your column. Then next go to the data, and there is the option here, the text column. Click on it. So delimiter is, you have to separate that, select this delimited, then click on the next. So here, what is the the delimiter here between the two words? So that is the space only, not tab. So now perfect. So it is giving you the preview here that, so it is separated the 3 column. This is 1 column, second column, third column like this. Then click on next. So this is how it is going to give you. Then click on finish. Then observe here. So you separated with the 3 columns. So you can rename it like this. This is the first name. And this is your second name. And it's your last name. So this is how you can separate the 3 things, one column into the 3 columns. So that is not complete the scenario in your real time. So what you get usually, so you want to extract that number of the text from this one. So for example, let me understand here. So for example, I am coming from the here, I will write. So let me take this one. I am writing here that this is my name. I am working in the Amazon. So I want to separate that only. So I'm working at the Amazon.com. This is my mail ID. So one more thing, this is my name. I'm working with the Facebook. The next one, you can type your name like this. And I'm working with the, what to say here, that Microsoft. So this is how your name, your company name. So your ID, based on your ID, I want to know about that from which company that you are working. So this is the name. You just type name, your name like this. Here also, let me take some name. What company should I take here? That Facebook, Flipkart. Let me take Power BI. So I want to know about that from which company that I am working on. So what you do, option, select your column first, then go to the data main menu, go to here the text to column, click on it, delimiter, you have to select it, then click on the next. Now what is your delimiter here? So ampersand, so based on the ampersand you can find out. So at the rate, so not ampersand, at the rate, then click on next. So this is how you separate your value, then go click on finish. This is how you find out. So based on this, you can easily find out that your company name. So this is the way that you can use that, how to get that one. So perfect. Let's see my next scenario. So my next scenario, this is just like a laddu question for you guys. How to find the duplicate values. Yesterday we know about that, how to find the duplicate values, but my question is how to duplicate, remove the duplicate values. So that is only the thing. So observe here. So let me take some of the data which are related to duplicate values. Let me take some subcategory values. Copy from here. I'm taking here. So one more copy I'm pasting here. Just observe how to find out the duplicate values. What you do, so first select your text, whatever the text that is there. Then after that, what we did, go to the home. So there is the formatting, and here that option duplicate values. Yesterday we found out. The moment you click over here, the whatever the duplicate items that is there, it is going to get highlighted. Fine. So then click on OK. So this is fine. Then how to remove the duplicates? Now observe here, I am taking the same text. I am selecting all the text. So what I am doing here, that I am going to home menu. So then there is the option which is related to remove duplicates. The moment you click on here, the whatever the duplicate records that are there, it is going to get removed. So observe here. So it will ask you warning. So click on OK. So observe here that 11 duplicate values found and removed. So 11 unique values remain there. So that is the interview question. What is the difference between duplicate and unique values? So I already told you that one. So observe here that these many values only there. So how to count them? Yesterday we have seen. So total u equal to count. So from here I am going to select. Then hit the enter. Just count, select, the enter. It is giving 0. Just only how many unique records are there that I wanted to check. Okay, it is not coming. Just count manually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 only. So out of how many here? The about 22. So out of 22, only 11 records are there unique. So that is only the how to find out the duplicate, how to remove the duplicate values, which is very important question from Excel side as well. So not only here, your SQL side also, that is important one. So next, observe here that sorting and advanced sorting, this is not big a deal, you know already. So what should I take? Let me take some data. So hold the shift button, go and select. Some of the measure value also you better to take. So now observe here what is the scenario. Sorting, that is simple thing. Here there is no such values. Here there is no such values. Let me take only sorting that you know already A to G, G to A, nothing bigger. Let me select any city. Where are cities? Here the city, let me select it. I want to go for the sorting, nothing bigger, go to the data. So there is the A to Z, G to A, nothing bigger. Go click on it. It will give you A to Z, G to A. Perfect. If I go for the G to A here in this column, so is this advisable? No. Multiple sorting with the same thing, you can't get the exact result. Observe here the C comes first. So this is we go for, we have gone for the A to Z. So that's why it is giving you wrong result. Never go for multiple sorting in the within the same table. So one more thing that is there, advanced sorting. So the moment you click on here the advanced sorting, what it is going to give you? So it is going to give you this. This data you can go for the multiple ways. You can add the data. So here the another level you can go for it. State wise if you want to go G to A to Z like this. You can give on your own also. So here there is the custom option. Let me select first any column. Let me select any column. I'm taking the first name column. Go here, go to the custom list. You can go for anyway. So you can add your own list also here. So which means that I want to sorting from the anything Y C H like this. You can give that any letters, then click on OK. So based on this, you can go for it, but that is not advisable whenever you go for the multiple sortings. So delete the duplicate sort criteria. So this is somewhat advanced sorting that you just remember. This is nothing bigger, but not advisable for the multiple sortings. So you can go for the advanced sorting within the one column only, not multiple columns. Here you can go for the any list, just like this custom list. You can select any name like this. You can go for the click on OK. It is also advisable. That is nothing bigger. You already knew. So now here the observe one thing. Group the same items, ungroup the same items. I want to calculate the subtotals for that group. So let's see here, grouping the items. Let me take some related to group. Only region, yes, having the group we can make. Let me take few more. Let me copy data. So here let me take north. So what you do to copy the same, just simply drag. It will change. I'm giving here the east. Simply drag from here to here. West you can give. Drag. Here I'm giving you that north central. Okay, let me take some sales value. So here also sales value equivalent. Copy from here, go and paste here. So for example, this is the data which we have. I want to make them the group. What you do first, select your column, then go to the data same. So there is the option group. So in the group option, you just click on the group. So it will automatically give you the group. What happened? Why it is taking like this? Let me ungroup it. Let me ungroup it again. So without selecting, let me do grouping. Otherwise, let me select all the table. So it might work out. So go to the grouping, click on the group. So based on the rows, okay. Let me click on OK. So now it is going to get the group. Now what I do first, let me ungroup it. Let me sorting first. Okay, this is the data I want to sort based on the region column. So go here, sorting A to Z or G to A, anything you can sort it. Okay, now it is there in the same order. Okay, fine. Now let me try with the grouping. So go here, go to the group, click on the group. So select the rows first. Let me check it. If it is not work out, we will take the column. No, it is not work out. What I do? So select your table, go to the grouping. So here the grouping instead of rows, let me take the columns. Let me check here. No. What happened? Let me select only one. Go to the group. Control G, Control G, Control G, Control G. Okay. So this is your data. Let me check one more time. Go to the grouping. Columns. These are all the columns. Let me check rows only. Why it is being like this? Okay, one more attempt I will try, otherwise we will let it pending. I stuck at one task. Let me select from here. Go to the grouping, column, select. No. Too bad. So let me try. No, one more attempt only, last. Let me check. So let me try with subtotal first. Just give me a second, I am checking something. Okay, subtotals are coming. Why grouping is not coming? Okay. So this grouping, I will let it aside. So I want to go for the subtotals. Just observe here that grouping, let it pending. We will discuss tomorrow. So group, I want to go for the subtotals only. So what you do, first select your sum of the data. So I'm taking this data. I want to go for what is the the value which related to central region, and the east region subtotal I want to know, and the north region like this. What you do, first select your entire table, then go to the same data. So directly go to the subtotals. Click on the subtotals. It is going to give you that based on what column that you want to go for the subtotals. Based on the region only I want to go. So aggregation you just select here, whatever the aggregation that you want. So based on the which column that you want to go and sum up. So this is the value that you go select it. Then click on OK. So this is how you get the subtotals. You just observe here. Subtotals. Only subtotals you want east value, west value, north value like this. What you need to do, just click on here the any hyperlink. So only subtotals you get. So now you select entire U table, Control T. So then convert this into your table format. So this is how you can make it your subtotals only. So fine. If you want to see for more, just click on the 2 or 3 like this. It will go expand. So every value. So this is how you just get it, the subtotals. So that is fine. This grouping we will, look into this later. So this is simple one. Freeze the top rows and keep the headers fixed. So let's observe here that. So for example, if you have this much of the data, so in the real time, what you have to do? So usually we go up to understand this one. So if you go there, you can't able to understand what is this row. So what is this column? So what is this column? So you don't know what is this column like this. So for that purpose, I want to keep my headers. So top values I want to keep there. So just like this, observe here. So what I am doing here, that first select your headers. So hold the Control Shift button, right arrow. Select all your headers. First make them the some format. So to understand, those are all the headers, just like that. So perfect. These are all the headers. Let me decrease the size. Okay, in this address, I just wanted to know about that, only the headers I want to be there on the top. So wherever you go down. So once you scroll up like this, you can't able to see your headers. I want to see my headers here only. That is simple option only. So first you select your row. So no need to select, I think so. First go to here. So where is that option? Review. No. Go to the view. There is the freeze pane. So first select your headers, whatever the row that is there. Then go to the view and go to the freeze pane. So here the freeze panes, freeze top row like this. So freeze the top row, click on it. So now you go up anywhere. So your header will be there. So based on this, you go any column. So you can understand. So this value related to sales, this value related to profit. Like this, you can find out. That is the freeze pane. So simple. If anywhere middle also you can keep it there. So select your this one. Go to the view. So freeze. So freeze first column, not first column. This is the first column you can freeze. So you can select this one also. This is also will be the same. It won't get changed. So like this you can go. The first column won't be changed like this. So don't go for this if you don't have proper data for the first column. So okay, fine. This is the freezing. Just to select your that one, then go to the freeze, select and select, that is fine. Only top row it is going to freeze it. So fine. So this is how. One more thing in the middle also we can do this one. I just wanted to check. So for example, I'm giving here the inserting some empty row. So let me freeze this one. Let me try. So let me select it. Go to the freezing. Unfreeze brains, freeze the top row. Let me click on it. No. Let me insert some empty row. First column. The first, where is that option? So in the middle of anywhere also you can freeze it. So I just wanted to know about that. Where it is that option available. I will check it, otherwise you check it anyone. So sometimes what happen here, that based on the region only, for example, any west region which is there, I just wanted to freeze that west region only information. So it will be there in the middle of your data. So what you do, you must have to freeze that the same way whatever you did here. So that is why here also in the middle of the data also you can freeze it. So that is, I just wanted to check it. Otherwise you check it on your own, otherwise we will check it this one. So fine, let's see next one. So this is, I want to insert the image only, simple thing. So nothing bigger. So how to insert the image? So go to the insert menu. There is the option that is the picture. Click on it. You go select any of your company logos. The same thing. This much you know already, Power Core Editor. So anything, you click on the image, it will come here. Simple. Where is it? So select some cell, go to the insert. Now go to the picture. Now take any random picture. Then click on insert. This is how it will come. So you can use this anywhere. So perfect. Inserting image, nothing bigger. So these are all the sites formatting that you can do. So how you want to present your image like this. So you can take any way like this. This is how. So that formatting works, you just do click on it. So many thing formatting works are there. Color that you want, anything, you just try it on your own. Nothing bigger here. So here that entire background also you can give. What is that entire background? Right. So these themes are coming. Okay, fine. So entire background of your image also you can provide. So otherwise you simply drag only that you can convert this into. So push like this, then what you do? Select your image first. Go to the format. So there is the send back. Bring back like this, you just go to use it. It is not going to back. So let me take one more image here. So this is the color that you want to change. This formatting is a very light one. You just do this one. The background image also you can keep it. So that is what I'm looking for. Layout. How to send it back. Let me try to send it back now. So let me select table. Otherwise, bring this table. There is no format for the table. So okay. So only images only you can send it back. If you take one more image over this, you take one more image. So like this, you take some image, you can send it back. So this is how you can send back your image. One image over the another image, you can use it. So just like this. So this is how you do. You can do many formatting works are there. So nothing bigger. So this is the entry questions. My first entry questions, I just wanted to know about that, how to find the duplicate values, how to remove the duplicate values. You know that one, right? So perfect. So I want you to do one more task here that. So we know about that Power Query Editor. The same Power Query Editor which is available here as well. So just observe here that I'm going to open that some empty sheet. So go to the data. So there is the from table. So click over here. So it is asking you like this, click on it. No. Are you observing query editor? So did you ever observe this experience of the, this one? Power Query Editor, you might experience all these options, right? So whatever the options that are available here, so 99% options that is there in your Power Query Editor. So here also you can make the modifications. So if you want to get the data here, connect the table, how to do it? Then go to the source, file, Excel. You can select anything. So sample superstore data, import it. So here also you can import applied steps, everything same. So your table name is same. So here the queries come up, whatever the queries tables that you have connected. So under the home menu, all the options, almost 99% is going to repeat. So you just do practice it on your own. So these are all the advanced, the Excel. So transform, add column, view, all this you know already in the Power Core editor. So you just do practice whenever you get time on this. Otherwise, no need, nobody ask you questions on this. So this is how you can connect the data directly from your Excel. So editor only, this is also. Let it connect meanwhile, let's see next. The same thing, only data only which we are connecting there. So if anybody asks you what is the Excel, simple. So autofill handle also, that is there, simple. Now let's see from here. Focus more advanced options only in your Excel. Let it connect first. So everything is the same whenever you pull the data, navigation, your tables view, preview view, so loading your data, everything is the same. So your Power BI almost 60-70% is repeating here. Let it connect, I will show you. So this is do practice 2 or 3 hours like this query editor in Excel. Taking time. Meanwhile, let me check that grouping why it is not work out. It's getting overload. Wait, let it connect. It's getting overload. Like this, your table, all your tables coming up. So you can select any table. So whatever the table that you want, your preview area will give you the preview of your data. The same manner, whatever you have experience with the Power Query Editor, same thing Query Editor is in the Excel, giving you the same options, same functions. Taking too much time. So this is our preview area. So we'll come up, then click on OK. So here your table will come, the query will come here. Query means table name, you know already about it. So whatever the options, the same options, you go and check it. So only few options are left with that Power Query Editor. So 1 or 2 hour do practice on it also. Perfect, same, everything is the same. So if you want to first row is not proper way, what you do? So just right click over here. Otherwise, under the home menu there is option first row. Use first row as headers. Click on it. So this will give you the proper column headers. The same thing you do practice, it taking time. So to show you some of the options, the same options only. Just observe here. So this merge concept, append concept, everything you do practice here. So don't skip anything. Too much time taking. Observe here the proper everything. So go to the any drop down, the options, filters, everything you will get the same. So just go here. Did you observe the all the conditional filters like this under the column menu? So based on the text data type, it is going to give you. So did you observe one thing here that are you getting the any data types icons here? No. So that is available in your Power Query Editor. So just like this, you do practice, whatever you make the practice there, Power Query Editor, the same thing do practice here. So under the home menu, what are the options that are available, what we have discussed there. So just check it, transform main menu, what we have the options, we have checked it. So here also do the same thing. So add column. So why we use the add column? So view menu nothing is there. So only add column, transform column, home menu. These three columns you do practice the same way, whatever you done in your Power Query Editor. You just make the list of that, what is the options that are available directly in the Power Query Editor, then what are the options that is not available here in the Excel. So this is how simple. After you make some changes, the simple thing what you do, so directly go here the same manner, load and apply. So there is there apply and load the data. Here we have that close and load data, simple. So data come up here. So this is how your data will come here. So you check it. I'm going for the next scenario. So why wasting time here? So now I wanted to know about that calculation for the GST percentage calculation, tax percentage calculation. So how to do that one? Let me make you understand here. So let me open Excel. Go to the new sheet. Let me add some data. Name, I'm adding some data, salary. So name something like this, salary something like this. Name something like this, my salary something like this. Name something like this, my salary. So can I repeat? This is the salary and this is the name. So I just wanted to know about that percentage. So for example, I want to know about that, any tax percentage. So usually tax percentage, what it will be? 5% tax. Or here the 10% slabs. So I'm just giving randomly. So percentage of the taxes. I'm just giving this value is this much of the percentage slab. This value is 2%, 5%, or 7% of the slabs. I'm giving something like this. So now I want to know about that. What is the tax percentage that I'm going to pay every day? So total tax amount I'm writing here. So what you do, simply give equal to whatever the value that you just select it. So this is the percentage, how to calculate it. Simply you just give here the multiplication symbol, asterisk, just select this percentage, just enter the click. So this is your tax amount total you need to pay out of this value for the 5% tax. So you simply drag down. Simple. So nothing bigger. Now you know this much of the tax you need to pay. So this is your total salary. So after you pay tax, what will be your actual salary to get hand? So that is how you need to find. So hand in salary. So same thing, just give equal to. So this is your total salary. So I want to pay this much of the tax. What I am doing here, that I am just giving the minus. Minus, I want to pay this much tax. Just hit the enter. So this is your total salary you get in your pocket. So this is how you simply drag down. So nothing bigger. So I'm taking the same scenario. I will show you for the GST. So from here, at least focus more. So it will give you wrong. Here I'm taking. So I'm taking some more. I'm taking some more like this. Okay, perfect. Observe here, I want to pay the GST. How to calculate the GST percentage? Percentage format. So this is I want to pay for 0.5%. So for this I want to pay for 1%. So for this I want to pay for 2.3% or 2.5% something. So this is 5% GST I need to pay. For this I want to pay that to 1%, 1.5% of your GST. So I am taking the decimal percentage there, so that is why you just observe. 6%. I am giving here the 10%. Here somewhat I am giving the 8%. So I am just randomly taking that percentage formats. So these are all the percentage GST I need to pay. So how to calculate the how much GST need to pay? So money of the GST need to pay. So just make you GST payment. So how to calculate it? Simple thing, go here, just give equal to. So select whatever the total amount. So multiply. So whatever the percentage that is there. Simple, just hit the enter. This much value you need to pay for this GST. So simply, so one more time I will show you. Just give equal to. Select this value, multiply, and select this value. Hit the enter. So then what you do here, that just to drag from here to down. So this is how you get the answer. So how much GST you need to pay. So this is how you just calculate. So this much is the total GST you need to pay. So after that, how much you need to pay total. So this is the total value, and your GST also need to pay. So total value need to pay. So how to calculate the total value? Earlier what we did in the tax. So tax is going to deduct, which means that you need to pay the tax. But the GST is you need to pay the GST extra. So out of the total amount, you need to pay the extra. So what formula should I use? Just give equal to, just take this one, plus GST also I have to pay, right? So plus GST amount. Just hit the enter. So like this. Just give equal to total amount. This is the your total amount need to pay, plus GST also you need to pay. Hit the enter. This is all. You just drag down from here to down. Simple. So this is total amount you need to pay after the GST. Before GST, total amount you need to pay this much only. So here when it come to the any salaries, you are going to deduct that the tax percentage. So that's why we have used the formula that is there minus. So total amount minus whatever you need to pay this tax to the government. So this is how. This is how you go and calculate. Then after that you can convert them into your table format. I'm just hiding this one, unnecessary columns. Then what I'm doing, select table. So there is hiding, so that's why I'm selecting manually. Go and convert into any table format, simple. So this is how your final report of your GST are everything. So like this, you can provide. So here also you can convert into the table format. So hide this one, hide unnecessary columns. So control shift right arrow down arrow to select all the things. Go to the insert, same thing. Go here, select any type of format that you want. So this is how your percentage of the GST and tax percentage you need to calculate. So themes also there, you can use that themes. So whatever the themes, background themes, everything you just change. So you know this Power BI. So how to make change the themes? So you just use any theme, whatever theme that you like most. So this is how. Your font, everything change, your color change also, customize also, you can do it. So whatever the customized colors that you want, you can make the changes. Fine. This is you do on your own, the most of the things. Aggregate functions. This is separate scenario why it comes here. So formula selection here only there. So now observe here, this entire scenario is the same scenario. So what we do earlier, whenever we want to go for the aggregate functions, what we do, so here we just give here the sum, so total value, whatever the value items that we have selected, value 1, value 2 like this. So instead of that, what I want here, I don't want to give that all this, I just want to use that column name. So if I give column name like this, sum of sales. So we know in the Power BI, sum of sales DAX formulas, it is going to give you what it is going to give you, total sales value, simple. The same manner you go for the any average also you can get it, average of sales or profit. So what does it mean? So total sales, average sales value. So like this functional formula that you want to use in your Excel as well, that you can use. So what you do for this, go to take this one, the bigger one. So go select, otherwise select enter your table. So let me take one more. Let me open the new file. So here many modifications are done. Let me open the new file. Only table selection on the directory. Let me download the one. Let it download. Let me open this one. So this is your total data. So what you do here now, control up arrow to reach out the top. So first select your entire table. So then what you do here, that go to the formula. In the formula there is the one option that is there. So create from selection, click on it. So once you click on it, it will ask you from where that I want to take it. So from the top row, only top row, which means that only headers that I want to take. Click on OK. So now what you do, so just to go anywhere, you just give equal to sum of. So just hit the tab. You just type here the sales. Is it coming up? So you can't understand if I say like this. So for example, here observe here that. So this is not that. So this is old file. So I want to go to find out that sum up. So how to do that sum up? I'm taking this values only. Now just observe only the differences. Just find it. So what I want here that if I want to know about that sum of sales, so what I used to do, sum, hit the tab, then I used to go and select from here to down. Then hit the enter, it will give you sum of the value. The same manner average also what I do. So average function I used, then from where that you want to select, you go and select it, then hit the enter. So this is the average value. So if I go here, check that one. So sum of, so sales, am I getting any sales here? No. So because I didn't apply that functional, so profit, am I getting here? No. So whatever that is there here, that we are not getting. So what you do here that, so first select your table, enter your table, go to the formula. So there is the option create from selection. Click over here. It will ask you top row only. So whatever the top row that is there, column headers. So click on OK. So now observe here that anywhere. So not only here the down, anywhere you just give equal to, just give the sum if you want to find. Then type here the sales. Is it coming up? So did you observe here the icon? So earlier whatever the function that is there, it will give you fx function. So but once you go for the table selection, so whatever the column name that you select here, that it will give you icon like this. That means that your entire table is getting selected. You can use anywhere. Then click on it. So all your data is going to get selected. Then hit the enter. You can find out the same value, whatever it is there. So average also you just do. So average, I want to know about the average of the profit. So just click here the profit. So profit observe. So it is coming table icon, whatever we have selected from the table. So hit the tab, then hit the enter. This is all. Not only this page, you go any page. So I'm going here the empty page. Here also I can use it. Sum of sales, it is coming. So hit the enter, the same value. The average of any values that is there. So average of profit that you want to find, you can find with the enter. So you will get any page, you can find that one. So this is how simple and flexible wherever you want to do, calculate that one. You don't need to be there in the same page. So I'm giving here the, so minimum value. So minimum of sales I want to give. So whatever the minimum value in that sales value, it is going to give you. The maximum value, you can do the same. So maximum of sales, you can give, or anything whatever you selected from there. Average of, you can give quantity. So quantity that is there we have selected, just hit the enter like this. The same manner what we did here, if you have use number of the data like this, you just select entire thing, just go to the formula, there is the create from selection, click on it. Top row select it. So just click on OK. You go anywhere, you can find out. So count of, I want to know about that category count. So it will come. So just hit the enter. It will give you. So whatever that value, sum, I'm going to select it. So let me take profit. So hit the enter. It is going to give you total profit value. The sum of any sales value that you want to find, click here. So like this, you can go any sheet. So go anywhere, you can use it. Just give equal to, I'm writing here the average of, let me give discount. So here the discount coming up, just hit the enter, find out like this. This is how you can find it. So till here do practice. Tomorrow I will do from here after. So one more thing, these themes, you do apply the themes very well. So you can understand the difference between Power BI and here. So many themes are there and Power Query Editor is there. So tax labs, everything is there. You just do practice on your own. Fine. So any queries or questions so far? So odd number, even number, one more formula is there. Formula, by using formula also you can find it. It is. Okay, let me create some scenario. this is not scenario. Let me take any value. I just wanted to give value here something. So I'm giving here 26. So let me track. Let me give 1. So that is only same thing. I just to show you in the by using formula only. So select this one, go to the fill, go to the series. Here that I want to give that 1. I want to give here the 100. So select here the column, just click on OK. So here the 100 value is coming up. So you can use formula as well, odd number, even numbers, even number, odd number. So just give equal to, give even. So whatever the number that is there, you just give here. So this number. So hit the enter. So from here you can drag. So it will give you only the even numbers. So odd number also the same manner. So go here, your function is odd. So select your number, any number, then hit the enter. So from here you can drag simply down. So it will give you only the odd numbers. Observe. This is how you can do it. So till here do practice. We'll check tomorrow rest of the things. So any queries or questions guys so far? Boring on the